Send me out for the fishing line. Give me a canoe and let me go.
Come on a little journey with me. There's one of the things that one needs to remember when paddling whitewater or moving water is that it can be a very dangerous sport. Many people often take risks, some of them not so calculated. One of the things when being in the wilderness, you need to take these considerations very seriously. Behind me is Exhibit A. This was a canyon, and it's left in the bush, and it can't really be salvaged. Let's take a look. Starting at the bow, the seats are kind of ripped out, so they've had to stitch them in. Moving down, there's a rip in the side, which has been sutured together and duct taped to seal it. Oh, there's another rip, that's kind of bad, and the gunnels kind of end there. And then moving on around, more ripped gunnels, smashed up seat, and, well, another rip. They did a good job on the stitching or the sutures, as you can see, but sometimes a boat is too far gone that it's no longer salvageable. So, take moving water seriously, calculate the risks, and don't take undue. I'm not sure if it was the other group that left the flowers behind in memory, but somebody did leave flowers behind. But if you're leaving a boat behind, it's always a good idea to snag the gear.
Take me where the loons are calm. Lake like glass in a starlit sky. Smell of a small campfire burning. Sit and watch the embers